Today we are here at the deepest corners of Vermont, witnessing a most fascinating subject. Castletonius Alcoholus Maximus, or Cam. Our friend Cam attempts to awake during the late hours of the afternoon, without much success. Finally awake, Cam attempts to find a female companion. It doesn't go well. Attempting to brush it off, Cam goes to the local watering hole to refresh himself. This is where our friend Cam practices his hygiene, and where he spends his entire day. Fascinating. After a total of 4 hours conscious, our subject Cam returns to his nest to gather strength for the next day.